This is BirdNote. As you gain experience with birds, you'll start to notice lots of bird behaviors and maybe draw your own conclusions about why they're acting a certain way. But it's also important to check your understanding from time to time, because there are a few persistent myths about bird behavior out there. A common one is that feeding birds makes them dependent on sunflower seeds you put out for them. In short, it's just not true. Even if you see your local birds ravenously eating at your feeder, those same birds are also finding wild sources of food at other times of the day. Birds also won't be heartbroken if you take down your feeder. They have plenty of other places to get their next meal and will adapt their behavior quickly. That said, during cold snaps in winter, it can be very hard for birds to find food. And that's the one time that a humble bird feeder could transform from an extra source of food to a lifeline for hungry birds. So while birds aren't dependent on food from feeders long term, providing birdseed in the depths of winter could really help out your feathered friends. For BirdNote, I'm Mark Bramhill. BirdNote is supported by American Bird Conservancy, dedicated to conserving wild birds and their habitats throughout the Americas. Learn more at abcbirds.org.